Alright guys, we're here at Gary Mahan's backyard there.
And we're doing, taking a ride around, showing everybody the yard art pieces that we have on display here.
There's a Cat 980 there, it's a front loader. Check out this yard art here, guys. What's that, Gary? That's a 27?
Yeah, I think so.
It's a 27 18 back there, guys. It's a bulldozer. See it, it's right ahead of us. We're gonna go into a big garage here and all that pretty soon.
Here's the full size of your grandfather's truck.
Oh yeah. Okay guys, this is my grandfather's toy truck we have on the mantle at our house, but this is actually full size, this one is. That's so cool. Wow. It's a D8?
Yep.
It's a D8 dozer there, guys.
D8 cable blade dozer,
yeah.
We got tow behind graders. And
tow behind grader there.
Big gray log arch for pulling trees out of the woods with a Caterpillar.
Yeah.
Stone crushers over here, the green one, stone crusher.
Okay.
Over there, a great one.
Stone crusher, okay.
Mixers, you name it.
Yeah.
Winches, gas pumps.
Wow. What's that on the trailer? What's that?
It's a load of parts and pieces going to Connecticut.
Oh, really?
Yep.
To Matt Falls?
No, they're not going to Matt's. They're going to well, we're going to drop them off there, but they're for another fellow.
Okay.
Has an asphalt plant.
All right, guys. We'll get back to you later, guys.